Why does your scanner show the P21A8 engine code? What does it mean? P21A8 is a diagnostic trouble code for Reductant Level Sensor B circuit. The P21A8 engine code indicates that vehicle's PCM has detected a malfunction, implausible signal, or voltage issue coming from the secondary DEF level sensor in the emission control system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty reductant level sensor. Damaged, corroded, or chafed wiring. Corroded electrical connectors. Contaminated or frozen DEF. Lack of power or ground. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel